burping, seriously. We have a whole video to do, we haven't even started.
I just puked in my mouth.
Yeah, entire episode.
How am I supposed to know that?
Actually, my throat.
I'm so sorry.
Again?
I'm sorry.
We say, like, not even a joke, all jokes aside, like, why do you do that so much?
Because it comes up right when it's like, I can't help when the camera's on me, but like, I'm not kidding. Almost every single video.
You burp on camera?
No, I don't mean to though. I just have to burp. Oh, okay.
Oh! Ooh, I felt that in my mouth!
I'm gonna go see that. Gonna get Ice's. Alyssa, Jesus f***ing Christ, can you keep your bodily functions inside for the 5 minutes I'm vlogging, please?
Sorry.
Jeez.